Charlie the Ranch Dog, Where's the Bacon? By Reed Drummond, The Pioneer Women, and Diane DeGroat. Oh, hello, I'm Charlie. This is my ranch. I'm the boss around here. This is Billy. He doesn't live here. He's just visiting while his family's away for a couple of days. I don't normally have time for visitors. After all, I have work to do. But I'll be a good boss man and show Rowdy around the ranch. Everything will be okay as long as Rowdy doesn't get too rowdy. I run a tight ship around this place. I give a sniff sniff just to say hello. That's funny. Rowdy smells like bacon. He must like bacon too. That reminds me, it's breakfast time. Breakfast is my life. I run into the kitchen. Huh? Excuse me? My bacon's gone. My water bowl is empty too. Sniff, 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 sniff. I walk around and around. My nose follows the trail of bacon. I run right into Rowdy. He's in my personal space. I wonder if he's even heard of personal space. My belly rumbles. What a bad morning for a ranch dog. No bacon, no water, no personal space. Huh? Where'd the Rowdy go? I don't see him anywhere. I hope he's not being rowdy. I find Rowdy. He's playing in the garden. He lies down next to Mama. She rubs his belly. Mama? Okay, this is going too far. I give Rowdy the look. He runs past me into the house. I sniff sniff. Hey, you bacon eater, I shout. Get back here. Mama lost my short legs, but they are not the best for running fast. Soon, Rowdy's out of my sight. Again. Visitors are difficult. All this running around is tiring. After all this trouble, I think I'll just go inside, lie down, and take a little snooze. Who is at my bed? Rowdy? That's it. A range dog can only take so much. Rowdy jumps off the bed. He runs out the door and skips down the steps. His tail is between his legs. He dives into the doghouse. Oh, Rowdy. Now I feel bad. I didn't mean to scare the big guy. But goodness me, Rowdy's hard to manage. Eating my bacon, drinking my water, getting belly rubs from my mama, and the final straw, sleeping in my bed. Nice and cozy. Finally I can get a little rest. That's funny. I don't feel very sleepy. I think about Rowdy. I wonder if he's lonely outside in the doghouse. Hey, sniff, sniff, sniff. Something smells good. What's for dinner? Mama gives me soup bone, and I know just what to do with it. When I walk up to the doghouse, I hear Rowdy crying. Poor fellow. I'm sorry, Rowdy, I say. You must miss your mama. Rowdy gives me a sniff, sniff, and a lick, lick. Maybe the room out is meant for the both of us, I say. Then I share my dinner with my new friend. After dinner, I feel sleepy. Time for a nap, Rowdy, I ask. I haven't let him share my sofa.